Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining the bot purpose and the user goals you will solve. Decide specific tasks and examples users will ask the bot to handle. Map conversation flows with clear entry and exit points for each task you support. Always include error handling paths and fallback options for unknown inputs. Plan compliance with platform rules like the 24-hour messaging window and 2,000-character payload limits. Choose hosting that supports HTTPS on port 443 and provides consistent uptime for user reliability. Create a Facebook app in the developer dashboard and link a page to it. Generate a page access token and keep it secure for API calls. Set up a webhook endpoint and implement the verification handshake using the verification token. Configure webhook subscriptions for messages, messaging postbacks, and message deliveries to capture user events. Request permissions such as pages messaging and follow the review checklist before public release. Use HTTPS and port 443 for the callback to meet platform requirements and ensure develop core message handling logic to parse intent and manage context across turns. Store conversation state in a database and implement fallback responses for unrecognized input. Use the send API and include the page access token for outgoing messages to users. Respect the 24-hour messaging rule for promotional content and use message tags when applicable. Test thoroughly using a local tunnel such as ngrok before public deployment. Deploy to production with logging, monitoring, and a rollback plan ready for quick fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.